Hi, I'm Scott with the Window Cleaning Warehouse, and today we're going to take a look at the 325 litre compact system. So this is the 325 system. It comes in a few options. This particular one is a delivery only, so no filtration. However, you can have it fitted with DI filtration or a full 4-stage RO system. You can also have the option of a powered reel. This is the Power Up 3D, or a manual reel, which both fit 100 meters of hose. This is the 6mm FaceLift red hose. You can also have it with the 8mm on the manual reel. Now, the 325 litre system is very similar to the 425 system. However, it is a little bit narrower. The height and the depth of the system is exactly the same. The 325 litre system is set up for one operator, so this is the ideal starter package for a single operator business or somebody just taking first steps into using a van mounted system. Most of the major components are held behind this faceplate here. Here we have the flow controller. This is how you control the system. Also, the pumps and strainers are held behind there. The battery is held behind a compartment on the side of the system, and that can be connected either via a split charge relay to the vehicle battery or to a mains power trickle charger. Now, the battery included with the system is a high power lead acid leisure battery, and so will need to be maintained as with any standard leisure battery. This particular model is the 325 delivery system, so there's no filtration, so you'd simply fill it through the lid with pure water. Alternatively, if you did want to use tap water, you could use that, again just filling through the lid. With the DI version of the 325, there's filtration as it leaves the system, so again you simply fill with tap water and it will purify the water as it's used up to your water fed pole, so you can clean with it. The 325 compact system has a very small footprint. It's 70 centimeters wide and the tank is 54 centimeters tall. With the reel it takes you to just over a meter, 1.04, and the depth of the system is 1.2 meters long. So because of this, you can fit this in most small vehicles. It's worth checking with your vehicle before buying. However, it will fit in most vehicles either lengthways so that the reel leads out the rear doors, or sideways against the bulkhead so that this reel leads out the side doors. So that's something available on most vehicles. With the compact 325 litre system, the hose reel comes fitted to the top, and you've got two options of a manual or a powered reel. Now this is the Power Up 3D, which is the powered hose reel. It comes fitted as standard with 100 meters of 6mm hose. With the manual reel, you'd have 100 meters of 8mm hose, so slightly thicker hose on there. To control the powered reel, you simply use this red button here. Now most people will fit this to the side panels of the vehicle, so you can quickly access it, and this will start to reel in the hose, and that'll take approximately a minute to reel in all 100 meters. So over the course of a day, you'll save some serious time using the powered reel. This is fitted to the system, however you can remove it. It's bolted to the bottom if need be, and have it fitted alongside in the vehicle. The 325 litre system comes with a high power lead acid leisure battery, and so will need to be maintained properly. Now you can do that using a split charge relay and connect it to your van battery. Alternatively, you can remove the battery from behind this panel on the side and charge that from mains power just with a trickle charger. With the 325 litre compact, you're able to have this installed at one of our regional depots or one of our service centres dotted around the country. Alternatively, we can deliver it to you and you're able to install that yourself. That was a quick introduction to the FaceLift Compact 325 litre system. For more information, take a look at our website.